So let's go to the park with a bunch of high-pressure penises in our backpack. What's the worst that could happen?
We make it vertical, slide it in, and then you sort of take the weight. So that way we're not lifting it over, you're sort of holding onto it at a point where it already is. You don't have to lift it above your head, you just have to hold it where it is. Does that make sense?
What's vertical?
By me being on it too many times naked and getting wet.
That's how you get ringworm.
When's the last time everyone's had ringworm? I've never had that.
Dude, I was in the...
So my first ex is Zoltar. They were kind of weird. Alright, hold on.
It made me laugh because you said they.
Yeah, like I can do it.
I'm pretty sure you need to No, here you go. Leslie, show.
Sorry.
Okay.
Never did make those noises.
Wow.
I'm sorry, sir, but it's going to be extremely painful passing them.
Nah, I got like the loosest butthole.
Fuck you, it's a good flavor.
When did language become a factor in this interaction?
I am a girl from Oakville, Ontario, who just wants to get in a tub and get weird. Jason did not respond to my DM, and rightly so. I think if he had responded, I would have lost respect for him.
You're like really hot. I'm so mad you can't see my face right now. Sorry, like MacBooks are just crazy. Hey. What? I don't get what's so funny.
I did not expect that.
Expect what?
I don't know how to react in this situation.
하지마, 오빠.
You want to see my boat horn cosplay?
Okay, let me hear.
That was my cruise ship cosplay.
And yes, of course I am the winner, because though I am a lesbian, I know my way around a sausage.
So there's just a fast food place called Wendy's now? That's what you meant when you were dreaming about going to Wendy's? Okay.
Let's see your first commercial for coffee. Go. What do you guys like to start off your mornings with?
I like to start...
No, just coffee. What do you guys like to start your mornings off with?
Every morning,
What do you like starting your mornings off with?
Every morning, I like starting it off...
Can we just let Heath do it? Okay. What do you like to start your morning off with?
Every morning, I like to wake up and make a big cup of dick.
That's Jeb.
Jeb?
Please clap.
Please, it's Jeb Bush.
Ari.
I have to go.
Ari.
God, when they named this, they just did too much work, okay? Pick a name that's not Adam. John, Jacob, Jingleheimer, Schmidt. Can I get somebody?
Is my name too. Whenever I go out,
the people always shout, there goes John, Jacob, Jingleheimer, John, Jacob, Jingleheimer, John, Jacob on the Jingleheimer wings. Can I get an angel to do these things? I've got chemical powers and there's a guy named Jeb and I'm trying to touch him or maybe give him a little head.
Bars!
Joe does an amazing Robin Williams impression.
I don't want to do it.
At least.
I can't do it.
No, you have to.
Oh, it's the Robin
It's
one.
the best. Come on, it's so good.
Only because we have a guest.
Yay!
Because he's not here anymore.
Isn't it so good?
Man, I hate it when my flamethrower doesn't work.
What's up? Come pipe. Come pipe? Come pipe? Yeah, pipe. Dude, what? Are you asking Cody to fuck you right now?
But you can't have love, actually.
That's really good.
Is that Keira Knightley?
Yeah.
These are my breasts.
But you can't have love actually.
Whoa, it's like Keira Knightley in stereo.
We're gonna do what my anxiety does to my mental health. Strain it.